Math lesson number 20. Adding and subtracting rational algebraic expressions. Now let's have first rational algebraic expressions having the same denominators. So number 1, 3x plus 4 over 9 plus 2x minus 10 over 9. So in this case, since they have the same denominators, all you need to do is to add the numerator and copy the denominator. So let's have 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4, plus 2x minus 10, 2x minus 10, and then all over 9. Now simplify the numerator. 3x plus 2x is 5x. 4 plus negative 10 is negative 6. So the final answer is 5x minus 6 over 9. So number 2, 12y plus 4 over 2y minus y plus 3 over 2y. So they have the same denominators again, 2y and 2y. So all you need to do is to subtract the numerator and copy the denominator. So we have 12y plus 4 minus y plus 3. Now, do the operations. 12y minus y is 11y. 4 minus 3 is 1. So the final answer is 11y plus 1 over 2y. Now let's have different denominators. Number 3, 5 over x plus x over x plus 1. Now in this case, for easy addition, we need to get the LCD, the least common denominator. How are we going to get the least common denominator? Now let's have here x. So x must be multiplied by x plus 1. X plus 1 came from the other denominator. Now, the other denominator, x plus 1, must be multiplied by x. So, as you can see, they have now the same denominator. And this same denominator is the LCD. So, as you can see, that's the LCD. Now, going back, the first rational algebraic expression, the denominator is being multiplied by x plus 1. So, the numerator must be multiplied also by x plus 1. In the other rational algebraic expression, the denominator is being multiplied by x. The numerator must be multiplied by x also. Now, we can combine the two numerators now. So, 5 times x plus 1, that's 5 times x plus 1, plus x times x. So, simplifying this, we have distribute 5 to x plus 1. So, 5x plus 5 plus x squared. Now, rearranging this, we have x squared plus 5x plus 5 all over multiplying the denominator, x squared plus x. So, that's the final answer. X squared plus 5x plus 5 all over x squared plus x. Now, let's have number 4. 2x over 3x plus 6 plus 2 over x plus 2. So as you can see, they have different denominators. Let's take a look at the first denominator, 3x plus 6. We can factor this into 3 times x plus 2. Now as you can see, in the second denominator, you have x plus 2. So in order for this to have the same denominator, we need to multiply x plus 2 here by 3. So as you can see here, by 3. Now, since the denominator here is being multiplied by 3, the numerator also must be multiplied by 3. Since they have the same denominator now, 3 times x plus 2, we can combine the numerators, 2x and 2 times 3. So 2x is 2x, 2 times 3 is 2 times 3. Simplifying that, we have 2x plus 6 all over multiplying the denominator, 3x plus 6. So that's 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 2, 6. So that's the sum of example number 4. Now let's have number 5. 3a minus b over a squared minus 9ab plus 20b squared plus 2b over a squared minus 25b squared. Now, as you can see, they have different denominators. First, we need to factor the first denominator, a squared minus 9ab plus 20b squared. So that will be a minus 5b times a minus 4b. Second, we need to factor the second denominator, a squared minus 25b squared. That will be a minus 5 times a plus 5b. So remember the difference of two squares. And this one, factoring general trinomial. Now, let's take a look at the first denominator. In order for the two denominators to have or to be the same, we need to multiply this by a plus 5b. Why a plus 5b? As you can see, there is already a minus 5b here. So a minus 5b here. So no need to multiply another a minus 5b. We need to multiply a plus 5b because there is no a plus 5b in this denominator. Now, after multiplying a plus 5b, set aside. Multiply also a plus 5b to the numerator. And set aside again. Next, let's proceed to the second denominator, a minus 5b times a plus 5b. We need to multiply this by a minus 4b. Why a minus 4b? Because there is no a minus 4b here. So that's a minus 4b. Now, multiply also the numerator by a minus 4b. Now, as you can see, they have the same denominator now. A minus 5b times a minus 4b times a plus 5b. We can now combine the numerators. So that's 3a minus b, a plus 5b, and then 2b times a minus 4b. Now let's do first the first numerator. That will be 3a squared plus 14ab minus 5b squared. So that's how you are going to multiply this. This is a product of two binomials. So multiplying two binomials. The result is this. Now this one, monomial times binomial. So distribute. 2b times a is 2ab. 2b times 4b is 8b squared. Simplifying this, we have 3a squared. 14ab can be combined with 2ab, so that will be 16ab. And then minus 5b squared, and then minus 8b squared, that will be simplified into minus 13b squared, or negative 13b squared. After that, plug in the denominator, and that will be your final answer.